In this video I'm going to illustrate the type of data we're going to use at the ECASIA24 workshop, which is going to be held on the 9th of June 2024. The spectra that we see in these two examples are photoemission from samples that contain both platinum and copper. There's also contamination on the surface of these materials, so using different photoemission lines, quantification or estimating the relative proportions of the copper and aluminium signal would be difficult. So choosing the same kinetic energy for the photoemission from platinum and copper allow us to estimate the relative proportions of signal emanating from the sample. But to achieve this, we must use line shapes that include asymmetry and also symmetric line shapes that are sympathetic to the data. And the type of line shapes chosen also has an influence on how we can choose the background. So determining the line shapes and how the background relates to these line shapes will be one of the topics that we will cover in the workshop.